Hi guys, good morning. So ang ating vlog for today is wala lang, pupunta lang tayo sa trabaho. Yun na ang a day for vlog natin for a day. Be. So yun guys, alis na tayo kasi naghihintay na yung mga kasama namin at saka yung taxi. So let's go guys, see you in my work. Guys, hintayin natin yung elevator. Marami akong bit-bit. So, pababa na tayo. Tayo sa elevator. So, marami tayong bit-bit guys. So, andun na yung mga kasama ko. Tingin tayo baka masasakyan. Tayo sa ating I'm vlogging. See you in my vlog. See you in my vlog.
How are you?
Yes, it's true. Tulungan mo ako, Day.
What is this?
I might take. Starting our vlogging in the morning. Good morning po, Jaira. Oh. So, kain tayo nila, marami yan naman. Wait, brother.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. Yes, I'm making money.
Early morning of the day.
We work. Yes.
Show them. Yes.
Guess this gets too much. It's not late today.
Yeah. He already wake up. Good son. I heard that you are late yesterday.
Yes.
What happened?
I came. I slept off.
Oh, because you didn't sleep.
No.
Yes, because Godson is dreaming
I'll
yesterday.
tell you something,
Too much dreaming.
For like 4 years, I've not taken beans. You know beans, right?
Beans.
Black eyed beans.
Okay.
So yesterday I took beans in the night.
So 1 hour you're late, huh? No worries. 1 hour.
For that 30 minutes, So Ati they left.
Yes. Because I tell
Keep
to
calling.
I tell to the driver, okay, let's go because maybe Godson is dreaming, very nice
I
dreaming.
said, Ati, come, I'll show you where I live. So next time you call me.
No, Marie, tell me to Marie. It's not me,
Come
Godson.
to me.
Miss,
I think you're tired now. You should go home.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm okay. I couldn't see this morning. I did not sleep. My eyes was